In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prepare and do payroll in QuickBooks. We'll walk from first-time setup to running payroll, paying payroll taxes, and pulling reports you can share with your team or your accountant. First, log into your QuickBooks account and open the payroll section from the left menu. If you haven't set it up yet, choose Get Started. Enter your business details, including your employer identification number, legal address, and tax information. Accuracy here prevents filing errors later, so match what's on your federal and state registrations. Next, add your employees' core details: legal name, home address, whether they're hourly or salaried, and their W-4 tax information. If you plan to pay by direct deposit, turn that on now and add the company bank account you'll fund payroll from. Double-check routing and account numbers, and be mindful of bank processing timelines. With payroll enabled, go to Payroll, then Employees, and select Add an Employee. Fill in the pay rate, choose the pay schedule such as weekly or bi-weekly, confirm federal and any state tax withholdings from each worker's forms, and if you're using direct deposit, enter their bank details securely. Review everything for typos and save. When it's payday time, open Payroll and choose Run Payroll. Pick the correct pay schedule, enter hours for hourly staff, and verify any overtime, bonuses, or unpaid time if applicable. Review the preview carefully. QuickBooks will calculate federal and state taxes, Social Security and Medicare, and any other deductions you've set up. Make sure the net pay looks right for each person. When you're satisfied, select Submit Payroll. If you're paying by direct deposit, send it far enough in advance to meet cutoff times so employees are paid on the intended date. After payroll runs, head to Taxes, then Payroll Tax to see amounts due. Review the periods and totals, then select Pay. If your subscription includes automatic tax filing and payments, confirm that feature is enabled and that your e-file authorizations are complete. To wrap up, open reports and search for the payroll reports you need, such as payroll summary, payroll details, and the tax liability report. Filter to the correct date range, then download or print for your records or to share with stakeholders. And that's the process. By setting up carefully, reviewing each run, and keeping reports organized, you'll handle payroll in QuickBooks accurately and on time.